Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to change the portrait orientation lock on your iPhone 14. As you know, in some cases when you turn your iPhone to the side, then it will change the view. So perhaps when I open a page and you turn it, then here it will also turn, okay? So pretty easy. In YouTube and other apps, it will also automatically turn to portrait mode or to the wide mode. But perhaps you don't want that because it gets on your nerves, okay? So sometimes you just turn it a little bit and then it changes and so on. Some people don't like that. So if you don't like this, you can turn this off. You go to your quick menu here, to your control center, and when you're in your control center, here you have this little button. And when I click on this button, then the portrait orientation lock is on. All right, so again, if I go into Safari and change it, you can see nothing changes anymore. And the same is for YouTube. Nothing will happen. And again, I turn this off and go again into my Safari, and then it changes. So you can use this portrait orientation lock like you want to. Just activate it with your control center, within your control center. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.